Collaboration unlocks creativity. MeetingBoard supports extraordinary whiteboard experience with the LED touchscreen to enhance collaboration and makes the brainstorming easy for video meetings. Now let's see how it works. The 4K canvas promises you with the freedom of creation. We can add the reaction of applauding here. And we can also zoom in and zoom out with our fingers. Writing on MeetingBoard is so fluent that it is like writing or drawing on the paper. This is the stylus for the MeetingBoard, so I can write with the pen tip and erase with the pen tail. To make it more like writing on the real paper, we also have palm rejection technology. So when I write, I can comfortably write my palm on the screen. You can also create with your friend together at the same time. What makes it more fantastic is that we can create together during a Teams meeting. I'm going to invite my colleague to this meeting.
Hi, Haley.
Hi, can you see the whiteboard I'm sharing now?
Yeah, I can see the diagram you're sharing. It's pretty good. And I'm going to add a thumb up here. Can you see that?
Yes, and I like it. As you can see, Smart Whiteboard collaboration enables the team to create together while having a video meeting, making the collaboration fantastic.